while I was checking the website of the organization, I realized that the school also offers training in computer skills. Can you tell us more about that too?
Yeah. Of course, there is nothing you want to do now, this modern time, that you will not have computer knowledge. If you don't, then you will be limited. So we saw that also from the onset, and we incorporated that for all the trainings we do, that the students or beneficiaries must be computer literate. So that is part of it. I must say that we've gone from agriculture to catering and other enterprises like bead making, videography and photography, adire, shoe and bag, and so many little things like that that people can really make a living from by learning the skill properly and developing themselves. So it's a holistic approach to entrepreneurship.
What is the mode of admitting students into the institution? Do they need a formal academic background, or how do you select students who gain admission into Offer Center? Thank
you. We have different trainings, different possibilities, and each one with its own criteria. First, initially we were given just certificate of participation, but we saw the need to upgrade, and there we approached the National Board for Technical Education. They inspected our facilities and approved our institution. So right now we offer we are one of those innovative enterprise institutes that the NBTE monitors, and so we students coming from the monotechnic for that is OND in agriculture, so not OND in fisheries, not OND in crop, OND in agriculture. It has to be broad, because for now we don't want to go beyond that. We don't want to pursue a university status or a polytechnic status, because it will defeat our idea, our vision of empowering youth. So we want to keep it at that, and make sure that those who come in for the OND program with us are properly skilled, not just classroom work. They are real farmers in every dimension of it. And then we've partnered with the University of Ibadan in this regard to absorb them. That is for them to go into University of Ibadan for direct entry after 2 years with us. So that is that aspect of training. And for anyone who wants to apply to that, you need to go through JAMB. That means you have to write JAMB. Those that are writing JAMB now, Offer Center Institute of Agriculture is in the brochure of JAMB, so they can see it and apply and pick it, and then they have that opportunity. Then besides this degree training, we do the certificate training still, which is also approved by National Board for Technical Education. And this certificate training, it's according to the curriculum of the NBTE. It could be a 1-year program, 2 years program, or 3. It could even be less, as long as the people really grasp it properly. But the one that they will get certificate from the National Board for Technical Education, there has to be 1 year or 2 years or 3 years. We have short courses, 3 months, 2 weeks, depending on your background. We just completed 2 trainings actually, one for Total and one for Chevron, Star Ultra Drip for Chevron, and they focused on graduates. And these graduates spent 3 months with us, and they were taken through the rudiments of entrepreneurial in agriculture and catering, and many of them are doing well now. We also do some training for mobile. And with people, that's the ESO, that's the subsidiary of mobile. What they do is they prefer to train indigent youth who have challenges, either they couldn't complete their education or lost their parents or retarded, not too retarded though, and then they sponsor them for 1 year. So these trainings vary. Individuals come in and say, look, I want to start my farm.